Hey guys, my name is Alec Garden. I'm excited to bring you a new YouTube video today. I'm going to be showing you the technique that I use to clean automotive upholstery. Today we're going to be using the $100 Hoover CleanSlate, and we're going to be using the same technique that has made me over $10,000 as a professional detailer. And we're going to be trying it out on a dirty set of seats from a 2005 GMC Sierra.
Got the seats in front of me. I'm going to be showing you kind of how to clean a pair of seats. Now, these are fortunately out of the vehicle, which is good and bad because I'm bending over a little bit more than I would be if they were inside the truck right now. What I'm using in front of me is made by Hoover, and it's a small little carpet extractor called the CleanSlate. And then I'm also using a brush. You can get these on Amazon just by searching drill brush. And unfortunately I forgot my drill, but I did have my impact at home. My drill is at the shop. So those are the two things, the two pieces of equipment that I'm using. I'm just using a generic Zep carpet cleaning solution in there mixed with water. And then here I have just a little bit of Zep's citrus degreaser that is diluted about 50-50. So it's pretty strong. Now what you need to notice and know with the all-purpose cleaner is that see how much bubbles are in there. When you're doing all-purpose cleaner with carpet cleaner, you only do about one spray per area. So this whole seat cushion right here, you do like one, maybe two sprays, and you leave it at that. Otherwise, this thing will fill up with suds so bad, you're gonna be emptying it every single time you pull that and clean that single cushion right there. So you wanna be conscious of that and use your drill brush to agitate and start sucking up some of that dirt. Now, it is gonna take you on a super dirty seat like these were sitting in a barn for a really long time. It's gonna take you 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 passes, but that's what you get when you're buying a $100 piece of equipment instead of $1,000 or multi-$1,000 piece of equipment. So take it for what it's worth, but this is how I'm gonna clean these seats up and make them usable again, because they are really not usable and they're very dirty right now. And I will show you that when I empty this bucket. Just in case you were wondering, these are the two products that I was using in today's video. So this is the heavy duty degreaser. That's the one spray per cushion kind of thing. And that's mostly to just break down some of the dirt and grease that's in the chair. And then also I was using the all-purpose shampoo and a little bit of Bush Light to help me along the way. I do want to place a reminder out here that when you're working with this stuff, it might be easy to get kind of this mentality in your head that more is better. I can guarantee you that in this situation, more is not necessarily better. And what I'm talking about is more all-purpose cleaner or more solution in the solution mixture in this machine. When you're using this, you always want to make sure that you are doing your final pass and diluting that all-purpose cleaner out of the fabric, because that all-purpose cleaner will make the fabric hard and it will dry stiff and it will not be soft, whereas the solution in the carpet cleaner is a solution that's intended to be in fabric. It leaves it soft. So don't over dilute the solution, and also don't use too much all-purpose cleaner just because you think it's going to work better. I can guarantee you that it does not work any better. The only thing I'll tell you to use more of is use more water and make more passes. The first step to upholstery cleaning is doing a good vacuum, and this is crucial because it makes your carpet extractor work less in the long run. I'm going to be walking you through how and what process I use to clean this seat. So we're going to start off here. We're going to get it kind of pre-moistened and kind of start letting that carpet cleaner do its thing. So I'm going to do that really quick. Turn on the machine. Alrighty, so I have evenly gotten the surface of this cloth wet. You can see that as I'm kind of moving my hands across, I got some suds or a little bit of foaminess. Then here I'm going to take my citrus degreaser by Zep, and I'm going to do, this is my first pass, so I kind of want this stuff to work in pretty good. I'm going to do one on this half and one on this half, and I missed a little bit up here with my spray. So that's all I'm doing. Then I'm going to move on to my drill brush right here. on the impact. And this is where it's going to get messy, especially if your seats are really dirty. So bear with me because I'm going to be spraying stuff quite a bit, or I should say spraying stuff all over. And it's a good idea to have a rag standing by, whether you're inside a car or the seats are out. So we're going to use this drill brush and you're going to see this thing work its magic. So you can kind of see we got a little bit of a brownish sudsing going on over here. And now we're going to suck this up and we're going to repeat until we're getting clear water back in the machine. Now at this point, this is where I start to continue the process and repeat the process until I start to get what I would consider a satisfied clean. If you have lighter seats, you might be able to tell that with your eyes. Now you got to remember when things are wet, they're always darker than they appear. So I'm going to go over this a couple more times. You guys are not going to see that, or maybe you'll see it in a time lapse, and then I'll kind of show you what the results are and how it looks. Alrighty, well, I know the lighting's not the best down here, but I just wanted to show you how dirty these seats are. You can actually see it coming out of the seat right now in the darker areas. And I just wiped my finger across it, and that's what we're working with. So these are actually really nasty seats. I didn't think they were that dirty, but now I'm finding out they are pretty dang dirty. And the little Hoover suction guy is working pretty good. So we're going to keep getting this thing sprayed down and sucking it up and see when we start getting clear water out of it. Alright, you guys, here is the fluid reservoir from that seat. Take this lid off, slide it over to the side. So, that's what that looks like. Rinsed out, and get back to work. And you can see that there is a nice big kind of grease mark, stain, dirtish, whatever the heck it is right there. And you can see the color difference between kind of what I've cleaned, nice gray, and what I haven't. So we're going to try and get that out and see what it looks like on camera. Alrighty guys, here's the side of that seat that I was kind of trying to compare to. It looks like most of the grease came out of it, no matter which way you rub it. So it looks pretty good. You can see from the dirt that we're getting quite a bit of stuff out. Now these seats are not in the best shape, and I'm glad to admit that. They got cigarette burn in them, they got some weird kind of wax on them, but the general cloth is in pretty good shape, and this is small for the condition of the rest of the truck, so I'm not too worried about it, but pretty happy with how this one came out. We got one more left to do. right, so here we are with another completed seat. This is the passenger side, and this one was just about as dirty as the other one. Pretty gross. The one thing I will give you for a tip is the machine, if you do end up purchasing that, it comes with a thin wand on it, like this guy. And that's very beneficial for spreading the crevices of the seat and getting down in the kind of threading area. So make sure you do that. This was 2 seats. Like I said, they spent their life kind of in a barn, or their recent life in a barn, and they're about 20 years old. So take that into consideration when you consider that this is a 3-beer job, and if you don't drink while doing this, you're gonna not enjoy your life even more than I did today. So if you have a 3rd row SUV and you have kids and it's dirty, I would multiply that by like 4 or 5 and just plan on sleeping in the next day. So with all that being said, I'm pretty happy with the results of this seat. Looks pretty good. It's clean enough for me to not feel gross sitting in it, and that was my goal. So with that being shown, I'm getting blinded by the light bulb right here in my kind of crappy basement lighting. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it kind of helped you figure out what you're doing, and hopefully inspired you to go clean your seats, because I'll bet you they're pretty dang nasty in whatever the heck you drive. So thanks again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel, help fund these projects like this. So I really appreciate you watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Till next time. Peace.
Yeah.
You gotta give me more signal than just. Hi guys, my name's Alec, and I'm excited to make this video for you today. We're gonna be. Hi guys, my name's Alec Agard, and today I'm bringing you a new YouTube video on how. This is the same technique that I have used to fuck this intro up 6 times now. Hi guys, my name is Alec Agard, and I'm excited to bring you a new YouTube video today. Today we're going to be cleaning a set of seats. Hi guys, my name is Alec Agard, and I'm going to be bringing you a new video today. Hey guys, my name is Alec Agard, and today I'm going to be bringing you a new video. We are fucking this up again. Hey guys, my name is Alec Agard. Hey guys, my name is Alec Agard. I'm excited to bring you a YouTube video today on how